Uh, yes, guys, good morning. This is our beautiful town of Black River. Everything has been gone. Oh my God, this is crazy. This was our shopping center. This is the place that everyone used to come and shop. Very fast, boy.
Oi, me now what?
It's crazy, crazy, crazy. Damn. Everything is gone. Everything. Look at that. You can even see the ocean through this building right here. Crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy, crazy. Phone case for days. Who for phone don't have case? Your phone have case. Your phone have case.
No, but me head have ears.
A war. Gaza and a rape. Oh my God. Just keeping you guys updated on the damage of Hurricane Melissa in Black River, St. Elizabeth. Alright.
Everything can
If you're wrong, you're answer, no.
And it's gone. This is the church, the Anglican church that was right in the town. That's the police station down there, Black River police station.
Right, skill to know. Right, go back in the bag. Don't let last night.
Hello, me, but me
When you see my black side, when I walk them walking. When I get to that, see that, hear me, no dirty ras.
yesterday no early say no one, no, you know, nothing done.
Come in, what taking the bit. You hook up with them.
Ready my hoofs in boost. Oi! The hell of the fuckery.
But I get a good load, they say, walk on that town, you know. We can't go and walk.
You say you get a good load.
If I get a good load, whoa, you get a load of barrier and pick up. You must think I play with me, and the cases and the liquor, they have everything like that.
Yes, you think I play?
Play. Hello. Morning. Rough, yeah, rough.
That's the police station, the Black River police station. Everything, everywhere has been destroyed. What happened in Hurricane Beryl is nothing to compare to this, guys. Nothing.